Yo, what is going on, guys? Before we start today's video, I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner, and the winner for this last coat mystery box is Magdaleno Ovando. Congrats to you, you're the winner. Please send me your address and your name, and I will go ahead and ship this out to you as soon as I can. Congrats for winning. Thank you to all of you guys who have entered, and I know that a lot of you really wanted to win, but don't be sad, because we're doing another giveaway. I thought I should share the status of my mom. She just finished surgery yesterday, and everything went smoothly until after the surgery. After you get surgery, the morphine usually wears off, and you're supposed to get medicine, like super strong painkillers. I guess something happened where they transferred a new nurse or something like that, but for 6 to 8 hours straight, I was calling my mom back and forth. She was crying hysterically, saying like, this pain is the worst, like it hurts so much, I can't handle it. And I'm over here thinking like, what's going on? Surgery is not supposed to hurt that much after, because you get some gnarly painkillers that help a lot. She was crying so much, I felt so bad, and it finally got to the point where I was fed up, and I was wondering why the doctors and the nurses weren't doing anything. Like, yo, this medicine isn't working, give her something stronger. I called the hospital, I talked to the nurse, and they were like, yeah, we're getting her new medicine, it's coming in soon. I was like, all right, fine, that's fine, but hurry up. And my dad comes and sees her around 7 p.m. She's still hysterically crying. He even gets mad, and he's like, look, that like she's still in pain. So the doctor comes, checks on the computer, looks at her blood, everything, and it turns out no one gave her any medicine. So imagine waking up groggy from the surgery, and all you feel is just the pain from the bolt that went into your knee, or the incisions, and just like your fracture in general. So she experienced all that pain post-surgery for about 6 to 8 hours until she finally got medicine inside of her. And then I called her at night around 8. She had the medicine, and she told me she was finally feeling a little bit better. It still hurts, but it's better than not having any medicine. Dude, that sucked. I'm so mad at that hospital, to be honest. How do you forget to give someone who just had surgery medicine? Just pisses me off, but she's doing good. We're gonna go pick her up. I'm thankful for all of you guys who have wished her a speedy recovery. She is on the road now that everything's going according to plan. Let's show you what you can win for this next giveaway. I'm gonna be picking 10 giveaway winners for this. So for this giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away 10 Ray's Volk Racing license plate frames. All you have to do is comment down below your favorite Volk wheel. It could be the TE37, which is my personal favorite. It could be the CE28Ns. It could be whatever Volk wheel that you enjoy and you wish to have on your car. And I'll be picking 10 winners. I have 10 of these frames, and I'm gonna ship them all out to each one of you. All you have to do is just comment. I can't wait to see who's gonna win these, because I like these a lot. Let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today, I'm here with Andres. What is up, man? What up? We just finished working on Josh's car. They changed the brake pads, rotors, and he put on some spacers. That'll be in their video. It's gonna be right up here if you guys want to check it out. Today we're gonna be working on my car as well. Hopefully we don't take all day. We are gonna install PPE headers. So with these headers, they are catless, and I think I'll be able to squeeze out about 16 wheel horsepower. So it'll definitely help the tune and help the car breathe. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
I honestly don't know if we got this, because we've never done any type of install like this. Andres has installed downpipes in his old Subi, but this is an NA car, so it's a little different since it's mounted to the motor. Do you think we got it?
I think so.
Okay.
As long as we have good access to everything.
Yeah, we also have Josh and Mark here. They went on a little test drive with his new brakes. Right now, Andy is gonna check out the engine bay and see what we're working with. See how difficult it is. We have full instructions and everything too. Huge shout out to Josh over at Meraki Auto Works for selling me these headers for such an amazing price. Like, I never thought I would get them this cheap. So huge shout out to you.
You got them used?
I got them used, but they were only on the car for a couple thousand miles, and they jet coated it. So I bought titanium wrap for the headers for no reason. I'm probably gonna sell that. If any of you guys wanna buy it, I'll sell it for really cheap. But since they're jet coated, it's like ceramic coat, and it helps keep them cool, and yeah, they don't get too hot.
Let's get to it, man. I'm excited.
All right, we're gonna bring the car in, and dude, I'm so scared.
Let's do it.
Speak of the devil. What up?
Oh! Break them in.
What up?
I'm trying to, but it feels so weird in the front. It's like, what are you doing, fool?
Vlogging.
Why are you getting in my vlog? Get out of my vlog, fool.
All right, guys, so we just started, and we took out the battery.
Hi.
Took off the strut bar, took off the cover, air intake, Now we're gonna jack it up, go underneath, and see what this is all about. Mark, are you as nervous as I am?
No, we got it.
How are you guys all so confident? I'm so scared, but let's get it. The best part about this is that it came with instructions straight from PPE, so we can definitely use these and get everything done as proper as we can.
2 hours later.
We had to remove the mid-pipe. We're still in the process. The last bolts are in the rear section of the mid-pipe, and we don't have 4 jacks because Andy has his car jacked up. Oh my god, this is like the sketchiest thing. We had to use wood to get this jack to the diff, and they're powering through it right now. Even though Andres has the best tools and best quality brands, it's still so sketchy being underneath your car. Holy shit. We're gonna power through this. Josh doesn't think we can do it, but we're gonna fucking show him what's up. Like this video if you think we can do this, and give this a dislike if you think I'm gonna give up and take it to a shop the next day. Alright guys, it is the next day and I have some unfortunate news. We weren't able to install it. We made it about 1/3 of the way through and I just kind of gave up. All of my friends wanted to keep going and I didn't because it is just that hard of an install. I was so bummed. I honestly felt so defeated. Once I tackle something, I usually try to stick it all the way through. But honestly, this is one of those things you just can't do without a lift. Not to mention we all didn't have experience on it. There's no videos on it. I was bummed, but I'm a lot better today and we're gonna take it to built to spec. Dom's gonna take care of me. I'm gonna try my best to help him out because I really wanna learn, soak in all this knowledge so I can use it for the next time one of my friends needs help with a header install. It just goes to show, you know, I'm only human. I can't do everything and you live and you learn. All right guys, we're at built to spec. I guess Dom got a new location because I've never been here before. Good on him. I know he really hated the old location. He said I'm not allowed to help him work on the car, so I'll just film here and there and showcase what he's doing. This is how the car is looking right now. It is gonna be a little tedious. Might take about like 5-6 hours, but it's not a big deal. I trust Dom. He's worked on headers before and such a great price. So fingers crossed he can get it done. I know you guys would rather see me do it, but at least we're having someone who's pretty much my age doing it. So we'll live vicariously through him. So if you guys can see, that's what we have to remove. It's kind of hard to get to. And that. Alright guys, this is Dom. He's working on my car. Me and my buddies got as far as this. We couldn't get this off, so he's gonna take it off. Probably gonna have to remove this, which we didn't want to do, especially since we don't have a lift. But it's all good, I trust him. He's gonna get this done. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard do you think this is?
3.
Wow. I'm over here thinking this is like an 11. The bag install was easier than this. Got the first one out. I don't know, my shit was titanium. So Dom's finishing up. Gee, how do you think it'll sound?
It sounds amazing, honestly.
I feel like you're lying.
No, you got headers in.
But it's gonna sound raspy.
Yeah, no cats.
If you guys ever wanted to see what the bottom of my car looks like. Got the axle back. Oh, we have mid-pipe, no resonators. Still got the secondary cats. Now we got headers. It's honestly so sick seeing them work on my car. I really wish I could have put my hands on it, but with this new shop, there's a lot of rules and regulations since he shares it. I don't want to get him into trouble. I really wanted to help, but I kind of saw what he did and what I could have done to maybe possibly get it done right with my friends. But honestly, the lift made it a lot easier. Watching him do everything step by step, he didn't even look at the instructions, by the way. Super simple. Now I know for next time, guys. Hopefully, I won't be taking my cars to shops that often because I like doing things myself because it feels so much better. It's a first for everything, right? These look so much better.
Yeah, way better than stuff.
All right, guys, we're gonna start up the car for the first time with my boy Malik. How do you think it's gonna sound?
Sexy as fuck, bro.
Hopefully, we'll see. Imagine it sounds like a whiny bitch.
That would suck. Like, no, put him back on.
Loud as fuck. Guys, I think I made a mistake. The car is way too loud, but it's not even a good loud. It sounds like ass. Listen, it's so raspy. I'm for sure gonna get pulled over. Holy fuck, this thing is fucked. The drone is obviously bad, but that's what happens when you get an exhaust. Dude, I'm for sure gonna get pulled over. Like, in eco mode, it sounds pretty beast. It's fine, it's manageable. But dude, this thing is way too loud. I'm kind of bummed because it's just not the loud that I want, because I knew it was gonna get raspy, but I was like, fuck it. This is like one step I need for the supercharger, so I'm gonna full send. Shit happens. I'm not gonna weld on my old resonators. I might do some research and find some cool, better sounding ones. Well, anyways, guys, a lot of you are gonna ask, did I get a check engine light? We didn't break any O2 sensors. But yes, I have a check engine light. I'm gonna drive around for a few days. Hopefully it just goes away on its own, because the O2 sensors are there with the O2 extenders and everything was installed flawlessly. I'm just more bummed on the sound. I'm not even bummed about the check engine light, to be honest. Fuck it, I chose this life. I think it sounds good when you're revving it. It's loud, it's pretty obnoxious, but when you're driving, it's even more obnoxious. That's the one thing I don't like. All right guys, the car was way too loud. I'm over here at the muffler shop and I picked up some Vibrant ultra quiet resonators. Hopefully this helps. That's all I got, man. I hate the sound of it. It sounds like a freaking tractor. So, cut off my resonator delete. We're gonna weld them right here. So the only way to get these resonators to fit was to make them slanted. Not just to match this, but to make it fit, because it's way too close to the gas tank. If we were to do it straight, I'm okay with it being close to here. It'll rattle a little, but it's not a big deal. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. It sounds just like how it sounded before the headers. Yes, it sounds so good. I'm so happy. Oh my God. All right, guys, I just made it back home. Jack killed it, and the car sounds a little bit raspier, but it's so much better. It's a little more muffled down. I miss the sound of my old setup because it was a little deeper, but this will suffice. You get the power, you still get the free-flowing exhaust, just a little raspy. Let me show you guys. Alright guys, I hope you like that. I know it doesn't sound as good as my old setup. It's not as deep. It's a little more throaty and high pitched and almost more fart canny, like tin sounding. But this is the best that I can get. I don't really want to swap out the mufflers because that's what makes my rear setup. Me adding resonators was already something I didn't want to do and I thought that I wouldn't have to do. I'm eventually going to have to add high flow cats when I supercharge. The headers, so far, they feel really good. I do feel more response. The tune definitely helps. I just wish it sounded like my old setup, but this is the closest that I can get, and I know you guys are gonna hate me for it, but this is what you have to do when you want to fucking supercharge your car. RR doesn't tell you that. You need to go catless headers, and yeah, I wish there was a way to get the old sound back. This is the route that I chose. I wanted to supercharge. You guys wanted to see me supercharge, so this just kind of had to happen. I honestly think that I'm gonna end the video here. It doesn't sound too great. I know I didn't do too much, and I didn't do the install myself, and I apologize, but like I said, I'm human. We all make mistakes, and there's just some things out of our reach. I'm gonna get some rollers for you guys in a little bit. I'll get like flybys, rollers, and let you guys hear how the car sounds driving, which to me doesn't sound that great, but I'm still gonna show you guys because I show you guys everything. So stay tuned till the end of the video and you'll be able to see the clips. But with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, share it, like it. Please go ahead and like this video if you really think that I put in a good amount of effort to try to get it to where it is now, because I'm still not satisfied and I know I'm gonna find a way to make it sound deeper and better. Leave it down in the comments below if you have any suggestions. No, I don't want to swap out the mufflers. I'm thinking of maybe getting more resonators and swapping out the secondary cats, but we'll see. This is all gonna be trial and error and lots of money is gonna be wasted, but fuck it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Oh man, what have I done? Don't forget guys, it's always better to look good than to feel good. I'm trying to feel good over here and it's not working out, but you know we're gonna keep it going, so. Oh, later.